BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the S21 on deck, and today we got a case video. Now, this case is straight from Samsung. It's the Samsung case. It's the leather back cover, guys. Now, this is not no El Cheapo case, guys. It's a leather case. I spent $49.99 on Amazon for this case, guys. So, I love the leather cases sometimes, guys. And you know, we got a lot of different manufacturers of leather cases. But a lot of times the original equipment leather cases from these manufacturers sometimes are really good. So I've never had one for the S21. I think I had a leather case maybe a couple notes ago. But I really wanted to try this leather case out on my S21 because as you guys know, I switch up I like to switch up my cell phone cases. And when you trying to be real sleek or debonair, or you dressed up and you got your little phone with you, a leather case is really like a nice touch. So we're gonna see what this thing about. The packaging is a little worn, guys. I ordered it from Amazon. It came like that. Shout out to Amazon or whatever. But yeah, so this is the Samsung leather back cover for the S21. Now let's just go ahead and get straight into it. This is typical Samsung packaging. Normally really nice packaging, guys, but as you can see, it's a little beat up. Let's go ahead and get the case out. I had to go ahead and okay, guys, let's go ahead and check it out. Boom. Be careful with it. I don't want to scratch it. A lot of these leather cases scratch really easy. So here it is, guys. It's got a nice little look to it. Nice, really black. Got that Samsung branding on it. As you can see, we got like an aluminum, some black aluminum buttons. Look really sleek, really lightweight. It's got the suede interior to protect the device. I like that. Always a nice touch. Let me see if it's real leather, guys. You gotta. Oh yeah, this is it. This is 100% leather right here. This is no faux leather. This is why this case is $50. This is some nice leather up and down, guys. So I guess we just gonna drop it straight onto the phone, guys. Got a little protection, but this is not a case for protection. More aesthetics, more just the look. So let's go ahead and put it on the device. Let's move the stand to the side. Slap it in here like so. And see what we got going on. Let's take a look at the back first. So you can see a little moisture from my hand does get on the case, but it's a really good looking case. I like how this the camera bezel, like the as you can see, like the edge of the camera, the lip of the camera, you can still get that little reflection off that metal back there against this leather. Looks really good. Nice little cutout for your flash. Nice Samsung branding. You definitely gonna get, if your hands are sweaty or you just was cleaning, or you just, you're gonna get a little moisturized look on this case easily, as you can see. Now let's check out the front. You're not getting no raised lip off this. This is, like I said, it's not a protective case, guys. This is a leather case. This is for pure aesthetics. This is for just looking dope, guys. Trying to look a little dope, trying to have, you got your suit on, you know what I mean? And a lot of times when you're in a situation like that, let's say you dressed up for business, you want something, you don't want a big out of box. You know what I mean? You want something sleek, something that's not gonna take up a lot of space in your pocket. You know what I mean? And this is a good look. I like the way it look. The leather alone is worth the $50 to me, guys. If you could just smell this leather, I mean, you could see it. This is some real good leather. I like the aluminum button press. This is exactly what I came for, guys. Nice quality leather case. Now, some of the edges and things like that, I want to see how long they last. That's the big thing about these leather cases. We got to see how long they last and how they put up. You can still wirelessly charge with this thing, guys. Just a very dope little leather case right here. I wanted to bring to y'all. So this is the Samsung leather back cover for the S21. I'll put a link down in the description, guys. Really nice leather case, no faux leather at all. Some cases you can get a leather case for $10, guys, or what they call leather, but you're not gonna get real leather. This is real leather right here. You can smell it smells just like leather. It feels just like leather. It's really dope. It's really, you know what I mean? It's an experience. You know, you paying $50 for something very nice and exquisite. Like, if you're not into leather cases and stuff, of course you won't buy this. It's not for everybody, but the people that it's for, it's for. It's your man BG Tech Life. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video. I'm out. Peace.